Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to loop videos in VLC Media Player step by step. If you want a video to play over and over automatically, whether it's for practice, a presentation, or just your favorite clip, VLC makes it incredibly easy. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to loop. Once the video starts playing, look at the playback controls near the bottom of the window. You'll find a loop button with arrows forming a circle. If you don't see it right away, make sure the playback controls are fully visible. Next, click the loop button once to repeat the entire playlist continuously. If you're only playing a single video, it will automatically restart each time it reaches the end. Yeah, this is the easiest way to keep your video playing without having to start it manually again. If you want to repeat just one specific video in a playlist, continue clicking the loop button until the repeat one mode is enabled. I mean, the icon will change to indicate that only the current video will play again and again until you turn the feature off. Whenever you're finished, simply click the loop button again until the repeat icon disappears. Your videos will then play normally without repeating after they end, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to loop videos in VLC Media Player using the built-in repeat feature. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.